we have the, basic pranic healing class where you actually come to a 2-day workshop, and they are held like in different areas of the country. And I think it's $375 to come to one of these, and you learn hands-on how to heal the chakras and heal the body using white energy or white light. And you actually get to partner up with somebody and work on each other and become proficient in actually doing this, so you can go home and do it. So it's basically like it goes with the pranic, or the miracles through pranic healing book. It's the actual physical workshop. They're held all over the country. You can send me an email at successtoolsnow33@gmail.com if you're interested. All right, and every week we should be having these. Every week at 9 p.m. on Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern time. All right, well, you guys check it out.